Hello and welcome to this Expert Viewpoints video. Let's begin by hearing expert opinions on how generative AI, or Gen AI, is transforming the future of education.
Generative AI is reshaping higher education through personalization of learning delivered by adaptive ecosystems that adjust instruction in real time. AI enhances curriculum by analyzing standards and generating differentiated components, mapping relationships between concepts across disciplines. Assessments is transformed through analysis of complex performances and continuous evaluation that provide richer data.
Education is one of top areas where generative AI will have more impact. Gen AI will enable highly personalized education, creating tailored content and learning pathways based on individual student needs, preferences, and performance data. This allows students to learn at their own pace with adaptive materials and resources continuously generated to match their evolving skills and interests.
Generative AI is personalizing learning, automating repetitive tasks, and expanding access to quality education. It enables students to learn at their own pace through AI-generated tutoring, real-time feedback, and adaptive content.
Generative AI is reshaping education by automating text, personalized learning, and providing real-time insights, allowing teachers to focus on mentorship, creativity, and critical thinking.
Next, let's hear expert opinions on how generative AI is reshaping the role of educators.
The future of education will see AI supporting educators by reducing administrative burdens, allowing more time for student engagement, creativity, and problem-solving skills development. AI can assist, but teachers provide mentorship, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking guidance. Educators will remain irreplaceable.
Educators will collaborate closely with AI systems. Educator roles will also evolve. Instead of primarily delivering content, teachers will increasingly act as guides and facilitators of deeper learning experiences. They will focus more on mentoring, supporting critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, skills where human interactions remain essential. Rather than diminish the importance of teachers, I think Gen AI will elevate roles. By automating routine tasks, this will allow educators to dedicate more time and attention to impactful individuals' learning interactions. Ultimately, generative AI will empower both students and teachers to reach their full potential.
AI-driven adaptive learning environments help tailor instruction while teachers guide ethical AI use and deeper engagement. Challenges like equitable access and professional development must be addressed. But AI amplifies, not replaces educators, empowering them to foster innovation and meaningful connections in the classroom.
Faculty roles are evolving from knowledge delivery to learning architecture and mentorship, with AI handling practice and progress monitoring. For meaningful generative AI implementations, I believe institutions must address equitable access, faculty development, maintain human connection, and navigate ethical concerns. Universities should approach AI strategically, considering compliance, scalability, cost-effectiveness, stakeholder buy-in, and governance structures that balance standardization with academic freedom.
Gen AI shifts educators from content deliverers to facilitators of critical thinking, creativity, and ethical inquiry. By automating routine tasks, we can focus more on mentoring and designing meaningful learning experience.